How to hide previous usernames on Roblox. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, launch a Roblox application or open a browser and search for roblox.com. Make sure that you are logged in into your Roblox account. To check out and hide your previous usernames on your Roblox, you can check out the profile of your Roblox. Tap on the More option and click on Profile. In here, you should be able to edit your profile. If not, head over the settings and tap on Account Info. In your account, you will see the recent username, that is a display name, and email address or so. However, you will see that there is no such option as hiding your previous usernames of Roblox. This is because there is no such option as hiding your previous username currently on Roblox. So yes, you won't be able to hide those previous username from public eye. We can hope that Roblox will soon come with an update where we would be able to hide our previous username. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.